Wel, fi'n meddwl yn syniad da, achos fel ni'n gweud, yn ôl y gyfraith, chi'n oedolyn pan chi'n 18. Ond fi'n meddwl bod pobl yn aeddfedu ar oedran gwahanol. So, sa'n meddwl pan chi'n troi'n 18, chi'n aeddfedu fel la. Fi'n meddwl bod rai pobl yn 16 yn digon aeddfed I pwysleisio barn mewn ffordd.
I think it's important that everyone's heard. So if you feel mature enough and, you know, like you have the responsibility to actually do something about how you feel, then I think it's important that you actually do. Like, you can vote. You don't have to, but I think you should be able to if you want to. I'm not sure if it'll have a huge effect, but I think it'll make a lot of people who actually do care feel a lot better, because at least it'll actually make them feel like they're being heard.
Wel, yn fy marn I, fi'n credu dylen nhw ostwng oedran pleidleisio, gan fod ni'n rhan o gymdeithas mewn gwirionedd, gan fod ni'n, os ni'n gweithio, mae rhaid ni talu trethu, ni'n gallu gyrru am sy'n 17, felly mae popeth sy'n digwydd yn y cynulliad yn effeithio ni mewn gwirionedd.
I don't think it'd be a good idea to lower it, because I think the 16-year-olds, you know, they're just growing up, they've, you know, going into GCSEs and then they got to do A-levels. I think they're like going to worry more about, and there's so much pressure on a 16-year-old already that I don't think voting would be appropriate at that age.
I think a lot of people wouldn't vote because they are quite clueless, but I think if they taught it more in schools and we understood what it would affect and how we could change things, then it would definitely make a big change.
I think it's a good but bad idea, because 16-year-olds with jobs should be able to vote, because they should have the say where their taxpayers' money is going. 16-year-olds without jobs shouldn't have it, because they shouldn't have the right to say where taxpayers' money are going.
Fi'n credu fi falle, wel, a pobl sy'n dal yn addysg yn ysgol, fi'n credu, maen nhw'n deall lot mwy am gwleidyddiaeth na beth mae pobl yn 30 a 40 yn deall, achos dim ond ar y teledu yn y papur newydd maen nhw'n gallu darllen am gwleidyddiaeth. So fi'n credu pobl sy'n dal yn addysg a sy'n cael addysg am gwleidyddiaeth, maen nhw'n deall lot mwy am sut mae'r system yn gweithio. So fi'n credu dylsen ni gael hawl I bleidleisio, achos mae lot o'r materion I wneud gyda ni, fel addysg, trafnidiaeth, mae fe lot o fe'n wneud gyda ni.
And if they were going to lower it, then they should give lessons to help us understand more about voting, because most of the people in there, I think some of them understood, but most didn't. So if lowering it, then I'd agree to vote if I knew more about it.
Wel, byddwn ni'n pleidleisio yn sicr, ond sa'n meddwl bydd lot yn pleidleisio I ddechrau. Bydd teimlo'n eitha isel, ond ar ôl cwbl o flynyddoedd, fi'n meddwl bydd yn mynd lan a lan bob blwyddyn, achos bod bydd mwy pobl yn cymryd diddordeb a gweld gwelliannau yn meysydd sy'n, wel, maen nhw'n cymryd rhan mewn.
Fi o blaid yn sicr. Yn teimlo bod llais pobl ifanc yn peth sydd ddim yn cael cyfle I cael ei glywed llawer dyddiau yma. Felly bydde gostwng yr oedran pleidleisio am peth mawr I ni, fi'n meddwl.
Most of the people, older generation, think that we are too immature to vote, but to be honest, we do politics and stuff in school, so we get education, we learn about what happens in the assembly and how it runs.
I believe it's very, very important that the age of 16 to 18 do get the vote. I believe that it will enhance their importance in the community and in the government, and they will have a say and just an ability to voice their opinions.
I think a lot of people aren't very mature at this age, but I know a lot of me and my friends would like to have the option.
We get to go into the military at 16. If we can fight for our country, I think we have the right to vote.
Byddwn ni'n gweud I feddwl amdano fe'n sicr. Bydde cael y cyfle I bleidleisio yn rhoi'r cyfle I wleidyddion feddwl amdano'n barn ni. A gan bod ni'n cael y cyfle I wneud llawer o bethau, bydde cael y cyfle I lleisio'n barn yn peth positif iawn.